Things are calm for now.
The mood is sterner than ever.
I want this war stop. I want to go home.
Speaker is urging people to go and seek shelter underground.
I don't know what day is it today. Is it Monday, Sunday? But I do know that this is day 5.
They say that it's the only way for Russia to defend itself.
The situation for these people is desperate.
We saw almost exclusively women and children.
There have been fire exchanges and explosions in that neighborhood.
This is the feeling. This is the new reality that people all over Ukraine are living.